This is my VW MK1 Fox. It was my daily car, but I'm about to start phase 2 of the project on this car. If you have been following this VW Fox project, you'll know we are slowly bringing this car back to life. But before we can focus on other modification, I've discovered a problem. Water is somehow getting into the boot, and if we leave it like this, it could start causing rust and damage that will be much harder to fix later. Today I'm going to track down exactly where the water is coming from and see if I can stop it before it gets any worse. Let's find out where this leak is hiding. Remember, an airtime voucher may pop up at any point in this video. Watch carefully and up to the end because the code can show up when you least expect it. I'm going to use this to seal around this so that I have a tight seal. But I saw that I also have some hole here, but we'll see what we can do. Yeah, so basically I tried to use a VOUCHER sealer. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but it's definitely worth a try. But the main seal that I will use is this one. So this one will definitely, I know it will seal it, but it was just that part that stood up a bit that I need to monitor. But let's just wait for this to dry, and then we will apply this weatherproof foam. On this side we are seeing leaks around here, so on the other side it was a bit worse, but this side seems to have been sealed, but this side here seems to be leaking as well, so we'll take care of that. So there's only 4 bolts or nuts, I should say, that are holding these lights on here, 2 on each side. One thing that I noticed with the other side was that these nuts were not tight. These ones are a bit tighter, but the other side was loose. I could actually do it with my hands. So make sure not to drop this one as I did with the other side. Now I'm gonna have to repair the other side as it's damaged now. So you can see broke off, and this is the original Hella one, and this one here is one of those from Volkswagen. They fade out after a while, so as you can see this one probably came from factory and it's still looking good, and this one was bought after, you know. So this is all of the dirt that's on the rubber here, that's been sealing here. So it's clean on some places, but overall it's dirty. I'm just gonna need to clean this off so that the adhesive can attach to this thing. And I'm also gonna clean on the car itself. So this light here is definitely in a terrible condition. At a later stage we'll definitely replace it if I do find them. It's so hard to look to find these ones. These lights are very hard to find. I don't want the ones from Volkswagen because they're gonna end up like this. So I would rather get the original ones. Okay, so I ran this foam weatherproof around the whole light. It's a bit thick, I mean, if you look at it, so it'll squish and then make sure that it seals. So I wasn't sure whether to stick it on the light or stick it on the car, but as you can see here, I ended up deciding to stick it on the light so that when I remove the light, it goes with the light and there's no residue left here. Not that it matters, but yeah, I feel like this is the better choice. So I'm just gonna reinstall this light and see how it seals. So as you can see here, this lip is a bit big and this is what I was going for. So as I'm tightening it from the inside, I believe it's gonna go smaller. So let's just first do it hand tight. Do it equally. So definitely here the light has sealed, which is fantastic. But now I noticed that here is a small crack, and I believe it's the one that's bringing in the water, because if I come on the inside, the water is coming through here. So what I'll do is, I'm not sure if it's the right sealer to use, but I believe it would be better than nothing. Might look ugly, but we're not going for looks here, we're just going for function. So yeah, I'm gonna just put a glob here, and I'm pretty sure when it dries it's not gonna be leaking anymore. So if you can even see from my finger here, it's leaking around somewhere here. So I'll just clean out this area and then seal it up with the sealer. But otherwise, in terms of the light, I'm happy. It looks sealed. So also noticed up here as well, when you can even see this hole. So we're gonna glob it up with the Ryan sealer. Let me just wipe it and make sure there's no water coming into this boot, because firstly we don't want mold in here, and we don't want the equipment that we will be installing in here to have water on it. So basically I just put a glob on my finger, and then I'm just gonna apply it on this area. This is no professional jobs by any means, and this is no way of doing it. I mean, if you're watching it on how to do it, but this is how I did mine, because I just want this to be sealed. That is my ultimate goal. So I'm gonna glob up in the inside as well. I just won't be able to form that because of how awkward it is to sit in there. No more leaks. And as you can see, I'm pouring water from here.